How to install Blackmagic Camera on Android. Hi everyone! The Blackmagic Camera app is finally on Android, bringing professional cinema controls to your phone. But many people are seeing incompatible device in the Play Store. Today, I'll show you the official way to install it and how to check if your phone supports it. First, let's look at the requirements. As of 2026, Blackmagic officially supports flagship devices like the Samsung Galaxy S21 through S26, Google Pixel 6 through 10, and select models from OnePlus and Xiaomi. You must be running Android 13 or higher. If your phone doesn't meet these specs, the app may not appear in your store. The safest method is the Google Play Store. Open the store and search for Blackmagic Camera. If it appears, just hit install. If it doesn't, try updating your Android system first by going to Settings Mice, Software Update. Sometimes a pending update is all you need to trigger compatibility. If you're still having trouble, visit the official Blackmagic Design website. They often list the latest supported devices and version notes. I've put the link to their official support page in the description below. Avoid downloading APKs from unknown third-party websites, as these can contain malware and compromise your phone's security. Once installed, you'll have full manual control over ISO, shutter, and white balance. Always stick to official stores to keep your data safe. If this helped you get the app, hit that like button. Thanks for watching.